तुम्हारा दिन कैसा है?
मेरा दिन तो अच्छा है।
अच्छा है?
लेकिन हम मलयालम बात कर रहे हैं, हिंदी नहीं।
हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा.
थोड़ा. Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana.
Ghana.
Yeah. Nice meeting you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's up, my people? Today's edition is different. Today we are visiting the Qanat Quartier to experience the Tuba Market. Tuba Market in Qatar is actually a market session that every year they choose one location in Qatar and they display their markets. You understand? Their standing markets, which is souk. Souk in Arabic means standing market. So today we are visiting the Qanat Quartier to experience the Tuba Market. And last year, we experienced it in front of the Islamic Art of Museum. Yeah, and today we are at the Tuba Market at Qanat Quartier. But before we get there, here is the Pearl Island. And then the Pearl Island, everything is demarcated here, like the layout and everything is crazy. And then to talk of the Qanat Quartier, when you hear about Qanat Quartier, you think about Europe. You think basically when you hear about Qanat Quartier, you think about Italy. You understand? You think about Rome. But right now we are not in Rome. We are right here in Qatar, and we are experiencing Italy in Qatar. So guys, before we get there, let me show you around at the Pearl Island. This side of the road is the Pearl Island, and then this side of the road is the Qanat Quartier that we goes to the Tuba Market. So today we are experiencing the Tuba Market right here in Qatar. Actually, I'm right here at the Qanat Quartier for the Tuba Market. And this is my first time trying pomegranate drink. And my review on it is, it's really nice. It's really nice. So if you wanna try, if you haven't tried pomegranate, then you are missing out. And this is my first time trying it. And I'm giving my honest opinion on it. It's really nice, and I can't visit Qanat Quartier without visiting the Amapiano stairs. Yeah, this is the Amapiano stairs that at the Qanat Quartier. So here, can you hear the sound? Yeah, and then if you have visited it before, yeah, every day you eat, right? So today also you have to experience it. So I'm here at the Qanat Quartier and I'm gonna visit there. I'm a piano stairs. Yeah, oh. Wow.
Okay. Oh, very nice.
Thank you, man. Yo, one thing about Qatar is you will be smelling, yo. You know, right now I get my free spray. My favorite perfume. You get it. They just I'm feeling the smell. Yo man. So it's really nice. There's a pomegranate. Yeah, it is a pomegranate. And it's really nice and I love it. So if you have never tried a pomegranate before, just take this advantage and then try it out, because it's really nice. I love it. That's why I go for it. I never tried before, so I take this advantage to try and see how it goes. Hi bosses. Good one. Yeah, you know, when you meet the bosses, you have to appreciate them because they are holding the big cameras in outside and stuff, then you can enjoy it. Yeah. So this is the Amapiano stairs that I have been talking about. You see, he's enjoying it. Bye. Oh, die. India?
Yeah.
Uh,
Are you a vlogger?
कैसा yeah
Vlogger?
yeah कैसा है
ठीक है
अच्छा
ठीक है
हम तो केरला में से है लेकिन
oh can I film
I mean not them
yeah okay तुम्हारा दिन कैसा है
हमारा क्या
तुम्हारा दिन कैसा है
दिन
हम्म।
मेरा दिन तो अच्छा है
अच्छा है
लेकिन हम मलयालम बात कर रहे हैं हिंदी नहीं
हिंदी हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा
थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है
थोड़ा थोड़ा
Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana
Ghana.
yeah nice meeting you man
Nice to meet you.
nice meeting you so yeah man so actually this is what I'm talking about this is the Mapiano stairs that it's at the Qanat Quartier so can you hear the sound yeah so let me just see have you seen that see this is the Amapiano stairs I think I have made a short video about it that you can check it out on my page so guys that's the Amapiano stairs that I was talking about and today we are experiencing the Tuba farm Tuba farm or Tuba market that's the reason why I came here and it's really nice
Yes. You want to try the smell? You can smell it. All scented candles.
I know nobody showed you here in Qanat Quartier, but me, I get advantage to show you upstairs here that you can, get to feel any color, any painting here. You can see that, yeah, and you can feel the breeze here, like you are on the rooftop. Do you get the vibe here? Yeah. And if the canals are working, you can really feel it from this side, and then you can feel it from the other side where the market is really going on there. This is the end of today's episode, and if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel so that anytime we drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to watch it. Until then, catch you on the next episode. See you.